What is up, YouTube? Okay, so today we're gonna make an unboxing video, which is gonna lead to another new series, which is gonna be just unboxings. I'm not sure how often I'm gonna buy shit, considering I'm broke. Extremely broke. So I'm gonna do one today. I have a little in my fraternity named Zach Husky, and he got me these, so shout out to him. I do not know what color they are yet, so it's gonna be as much of a surprise for me as it is for you guys. So let's get into this. Alright, so it came in this little thing right here, so we're just gonna rip this open. Alright, so we got this box. Thanks for the box, Zach. Oh, these are dope as fuck. So we're opening this one. We're gonna take out this one first. This is dope as fuck. Holy shit. Alright, so there's two of these. This is gonna go on my right side and left side. These are for the paddle shifters. These are two-piece metal paddle extensions. They have like the little plus to show you're going up and a little minus to show you're shifting down. So these are super cool. Appreciate it, Zach. Shout out to you. And they also got these little sticky things so you can stick them right onto your paddle shifters that you already got there. And then he also got me this. I didn't know this was coming either. So I opened this. A little bit of difficulty. I don't know why it's stuck in there, so there we go. Okay, so he also got me this. So these are just, oh, they smell terrible. But anyway, okay, so this is gonna go right in front of my shifter, and I can put like coins on it. I don't know why I said the word coins. I can put like change on it, and this is where I put my car keys, so that's cool. Like, this is gonna line. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, dope. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in the bottom of the cup holder right here, and that way if anything gets on them, I can just take these out, wash them, and then it'd be like nothing ever happened. And then these are gonna go inside. I don't know. I actually don't know what, I don't know what these ones do, but I'm gonna go to my car right now and figure it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my car right now and take a video with before I put all this in and then after I put it all in, and you guys can let me know how you guys think it looks. Okay, so I'm in my car. This is what it looks like before I put the extensions on and everything else inside the vehicle. See how these are barely showing. Okay, so I got everything plugged in and like attached on. For the extensions, all I had to do was take a double-sided tape that it comes with, so it's okay, and you just unpeel it, stick it into the extension, and then unpeel the other side and slap it right on your paddle shifter. So that was extremely easy. I think it took me like 5 minutes and then a minute to put everything else in, so here we go. As you can see, these are way longer, way easier to paddle. Okay, so that's an installation and unboxing video for these paddles and I guess the rest of the stuff, and that's all I'm gonna have for today, so I'm gonna catch you next time.